Steel, yeah. $15, $7.50.
I put it over here. 100. One piece 29.
Okay, go buy that.
Yeah, 29.
Yeah.
29, 100 pieces.
100 pieces, 29.
Chicken, I chicken, 25 chicken, there we go. Oh my God， 就是。
Because you're a bad chicken dad. You're a bad chicken dad, Tumuchi. Chickens don't like it at Tumuchi's house. That's why they run away.
我的鸡25只都被狐狸吃掉了，鸭5只都被它吃掉了。
The chickens don't like Tumuchi's house, so they run away. They come over to Pug Ones and have snaps and different treats.
我的养的鸡25只被狐狸吃掉了，
And they
养
get
的
different
鸭被
pats
狐狸吃掉了。
on their belly. They get different pats on their belly. 25 chickens were eaten by foxes. Every 2 ducks were eaten by foxes. Yeah, you're a dad. You're a very bad chicken dad. That's how you know that. Tumuchi? Tumuchi is a very bad chicken dad. He's not a very good chicken dad. He's actually a really terrible chicken dad. Now I want to surround him with iron sheets.
Yeah.
Yes.
No,
15 bucks each. Yeah, well, I tried to tell you. You don't want to listen. So.
I got to go. Look good. He see the chicken. Go. Go. He know.
Yeah, because they know they're there. Now it's snack time.
Look good. My God, he look good.
Your dog? Bark.
Don't look good. He see the
You
chicken.
hit?
Oh, hit.
Yeah? No.
No, Michael. He just outside that one. He see the outside go come in my house. Chicken come. Michael, no, he no go.
The dog run away when he gets the chicken? Oh my God, Tumuchi. Tumuchi is a very bad chicken dad. Tumuchi is a very bad chicken dad. My dog is so obedient that he won't chase him away even if he sees the chicken being eaten by him.
No good.
Yeah, your dog no good. You got to train your dog, but you're a bad dog dad. You got to train him.
No.
Yes.
你那个铁皮都是洞洞的，我知道了。如果你通通给我，我现在给你500块钱，我后面也捂一下。
Tumuchi is so dick that he thinks that he can just get a dog and it will just know stuff. See that your iron sheet full of holes. If you give me all of them, I'll give you 500 yen. What's a yen? I don't know yen. Money?
Too much hole. He no
500? 500?
Yeah. 500.
Okay.
No seed. I everything go.
Okay. Old one.
No, everything go.
Old one. Not Nuda. Nuda one? No.
New one 29. I will see. You see that. I will you see that we see. New one 29.
500 for all the old ones I have.
Always go.
Yep.
Go. I know house 的I know house 的hard. I 就是台湾的too much hole no problem.
Chicken house. Oh my God, heater, fucking.
That's one.
Yeah.
You very good. That's one with the money.
You dance? Tumuchi is a very bad chicken dad. He's a very bad dog dad too.
I for you 500.
Yeah.
There we go. That's
Me? No. You. Move.
Oh, my move.
Your trailer.
No, you at one time go. I know. No, that's one.
No.
Or maybe my friend. I see my friend.
Just.
Hey.
I'm gonna try to zoom in on the snot dripping out of Tumuchi's nose for you guys.
明年大马很值钱呢。明年种的大马非常值钱啊。
See it?
Why
are you freaking out?
No.
Why are you freaking out? The horse was planted very early. Oh my god.
You know,
Horse!
you just cut it.
$10.
Cut it. One more $10.
Yeah. Too much is hilarious. Too much is an absolute piece of shit. Just a straight up fucking goof and an absolute piece of shit. Yeah! Too muchy! Woo! Eh? Oh, friggin' rights, buddy. Oh, frig yeah.
Maybe,
Woo!
maybe I don't know how long taken. That's I call the house.
Yeah, friggin' rights. He wanted the piece of awning over there. I told him. Kitty, kitty, kitty!
That's one good. That's one my chicken.
Yeah, yeah.
My chicken.
You know why? Too much is a very bad chicken dad. And the neighbors over there are very bad kitty and dog dads too. That's how you know. Fucking hate those guys. But anyways, yeah, too muchy. Too muchy, ladies and gentlemen. Very bad chicken dad. I wonder how he ever be known instead of them, but anyways.